Shri Radhey, Progressive, Shorthand Monthly, March 2021, Exercise 26, Legal. Dictation 80 words a minute. Start. Of these provisions is inevitable going by the definition of customs port or land customs station as applicable in the present cases. It is customs port or land customs station area appointed by the central government in terms of notification under section 7 full stop. It is not the case of the appellants that the bonded warehouses where the goods were kept and the stated sales took place by appropriation of the goods thereat, were within the area notified as customs port and land customs station under section 7 of the Customs Act full stop as the stated goods had travelled beyond the customs port or land customs station at the relevant time, in law, it would mean that the goods had crossed the customs frontiers of India for the purposes of the CST Act. Resultantly, the legal fiction created in Section 5(2) of the CST Act will have no application full stop. Para. Notably, the expression warehouse and warehoused goods have been defined in the Customs Act in Section 243 and 244 respectively as per the applicable provisions at the relevant time. Warehouse means a public warehouse appointed under Section 57 or a private warehouse licensed under Section 58. Warehoused goods means goods deposited in a warehouse full stop. As aforesaid, there is nothing to indicate that the bonded warehouse where the stated goods were kept by the appellants and eventually sold formed part of the customs port or land customs situation. Full stop. If so, the legal fiction of sale being deemed to have taken place in the course of import of the goods into the territory of India would have no bearing and applicability to the present cases. Full stop. To get over this position, emphasis was placed by the appellant on the exposition in the Indian Tourist Development Corporation, which had considered the situation where the goods were kept in the bonded warehouse and were made available in the duty-free shops for sale. Full stop. This court opened that since the goods were supplied to the duty-free shops situated at the international airport, full stop, Bangalore, for sale, it cannot be said that the said goods had crossed the customs frontiers of India. We fail to understand as to how this decision will be of any avail to the appellants. Full stop. For the court was not dealing with a situation as in the present cases in which the goods had crossed the customs port or land customs station area and kept in the bonded warehouse where the sale by appropriation of the goods was effective as much full stop.